Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make paneer quesadilla. Heat a griddle to medium, crumble paneer and toss with spices, and warm tortillas briefly. Layer spiced paneer and grated cheese on one tortilla, top with another, and press to seal. Cook each side until golden brown and cheese melts, flipping carefully. Slice into wedges and serve hot with chutney or salsa for brightness. Start by prepping ingredients so assembly moves quickly and smoothly. Crumble or cube paneer to your texture preference, then mix with cumin, chili powder, and salt. Grate a cup of a melting cheese like Monterey Jack to help the quesadilla bind and melt. Warm tortillas slightly to make them pliable and easy to fold. Have chutney or salsa ready so you can serve immediately once cooked. Use a medium heated pan and work steadily for consistent results. Place a tortilla on the griddle, sprinkle cheese, add spiced paneer, then more cheese and top with another tortilla. Press gently and cook 2 to 4 minutes per side until golden and the cheese melts. Flip with a spatula and keep the heat moderate to avoid burning. Rest a minute, slice into wedges, and serve warm.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.